What's new in Ikea 2020 part 4? Let's find out together. And we're starting part 4. I got some bathroom stuff here. Bathroom showing unit Velto, 55 pounds. Nice mirror with the lighting. Good Morgan mirror, 15 pounds. Good Morgan unit on the legs. Here we got another mirror, showroom mirror with integrated lights. And good Morgan unit at the bottom, 140 pounds. The mirror was 85 pounds. And linen metal units here for 55 pounds. It's a nice combination here. Good Morgan on the bottom, a nice round mirror on the top, 75 pounds. More combinations here. Dragon, 45 pounds. A nice combination on this side. Bottom 195 pounds and the top 129 pounds. And the wall shelf 55 pounds. Swan 129 pounds. Slim single unit here, 50 pounds. Silver run. This one is Good Morgan, 450 pounds for this unit. Rascock trolley for 39 pounds. 199 pounds this unit with the mirrors. And the bottom 558 pounds. Those bins, Nara, 29 pounds. Next one, Good Morgan, 259 pounds. And the tops, 229 pounds. £45 for this Good Morgan unit. More displays here. Shopping unit over the toilet, linen, 35 pounds. Got all the bathroom stuff here. Taps, sinks, shower heads, and the bathroom units here. Those ones are pretty cool. 99 pounds for this one and 150 for the other one. Sink units here. Mirrors. I really like this showing for the bathroom. Wheel for 40 pounds and the bigger one 55 pounds. It's 150 centimeters high. The small one 90 centimeters high. And we got more shelves here for the bathroom. Or it could be in other places as well. For a nice handles units, 90 pounds, the tall ones in the middle. This one, Muscan, 35 pounds. Mogler, 35 pounds. Bottom storage benches, bathroom rails, mirrors, small hangers with towels, towel rails, compartments for drawers, soap dispensers, laundry baskets. Storage boxes, different floor sizes, so you put them. You got the bins on this side, plastic, paper, whatever you can imagine. Wooden. And here we come into the tools. I have all the basic tools. Oh, here you have this set for Ikea with electric drill, 30 pounds. This basic set, Ikea. I want to show you one which I use all the time, and that's this one here. So all those roll blocks are extremely useful. All the different sizes of the screws, and this cost only £5. Ikea. Small electric screwdrivers, very useful for furniture assembly, as you know. If you're watching this channel, let's move to the light section. There is a huge choice of lights here. All different sizes, shapes, whatever you can imagine. This is nice. New one, 35 pound, Storga. And a small one, games for 9 pounds. Tanby, I think I saw this one on one of the bedside tables, 15 pounds. And more lights. Got the LED lights and all other lights. Lights for wardrobes here, very small here. And more lights here. Mirrors. Hamness, 80 pounds. This big one. I like that. 85 pounds in the corner with the integrated lighting. Those are interesting ones. Big one 75 pounds and the small one 20 pounds and 45 pounds at the bottom. This big one 100 pounds. And this is critical as well. This lighting here is 18 pounds. Music. In the kids section. This is a first showroom. Kura. With the storage. There's gonna be plenty of these here. Another showroom changing table. Sandwick, 140 pounds. The Sandwick wardrobe, 150 pounds. Still a combination here, 140 pounds. And a carpet. This one is 115 pounds. Another Stuba. Hotbed with the storage. This is Stuba, 170 pounds. And another Stuba here. Drawers, doors, small wardrobe. And the bed. This is Snigler bed for 32 pounds. Small shelving unit with a small kitchen. We got some baskets for wardrobes, for kids wardrobes in funky colors. You can put this in your wardrobes, storage spaces, all your toys. One bed with the table under it, with the use of space, 305 pounds. Drawers, kids wardrobes. Other section here, the tables and chairs. 22 pounds for this one. Metal frame here, 75 pounds. Minelli. Okay, got the cot beds here. One Snigler, 40 pounds. Changing tables. All wardrobes, mattresses, different kinds. Changing table, I think this is Stuba, 115 pounds. Cot bed, Stuba, 170 pounds. Sandwick, 115 pounds. Changing table with the storage. This part is opening. And Sandwick kids wardrobe. One drawer and the storage space. Another wardrobe, Brusange, 99 pounds. Chest of drawers, the baskets, you can divide the space in the drawer. More coats here, Gulliver, 75 pounds. And a lot of stuff for kids, those cutleries, important stuff. Dollhouses, 25 pounds. Just like 25 pounds. School stuff, cuddly toys. Okay, let's move to the other section. All small stuff, Riba frames, £4 for these kitchen stuff. All those compartments, stuff for kitchen. You need chopping board. So this one, £4.50. All the different styles here in the top, you can see them all over there. 5 small chopping boards, different kinds and shapes. Red in £12. Magazine. Compartments for the drawers, cutlery sets, napkins, bed trays, coffee mugs, office stuff, more coffee and teacups here, dish drainers, plates, big pictures here. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of pictures in this section, and picture frames, Riba. Ribas. Got the big ones here. Those ones are £70 for these big ones, and those smaller ones are £50. So what time it is now? The flowers, the plants. More plants here. Citrus. Pillows. Options are unlimited. Curtains. Roller blinds. I'll show you one interesting one. I like it here. That's the one here. Here to £125. It just should go up. Pretty cool, £125. Duvets and the pillows. Lot of choice here. Carpets. Lot of choice here. The last thing, of course, when you're in Ikea, you're gonna check out the bargain corner, and you can find the cheap stuff there in a good condition. Not all, but sometimes you can. There it is. Discounted stuff, like small scratches, or it's usually returns. I used before here, I take a doors here for packs for groups or desks for your tables. Desk is all scratched up, but sometimes if you need to use it, £7. Some of them they are in a good condition, some of them they are not so good. Appliances here as well, so from £600 is to £400. But sofas discounted here from £200 to £115. Mattresses, some of them they are still in a good condition. This one, let's say, from £350 to £210. This one still have the packaging, and this was from £450 to £300. This one £89, this one £29, Kallax £59 to £90. This Northern extendable table from £329 to £170. And that's it from Bargain Corner. And this is end of part 4 on what's new in IKEA 2020. Where I take you through all store, show you all the new items what IKEA have to offer in 2020. I hope you enjoy those 4 series, and I want to thank you for all your support in 2019. The channel is closing on 14,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, greatly appreciated, and keep watching in 2020. There's gonna be plenty tutorials to come, how to assemble IKEA furniture, so keep watching, and thank you for all your support in 2019, and see you in 2020. Have a fantastic day. And this is end of part 4. Furniture assembly nightmares, disasters, challenges, missions. Let's keep watching. Yeah, a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.